What's up, guys? Good morning. Yeah, it's 4:30 in the morning. We're here at Charlotte Island. We're gonna try our luck over here with the mackerel. It's just me and my dad today. Because it's here in San Diego Bay. So usually the mackerel, they like to come in the bay around late summer. So like I said, we'll check it out and hopefully they're here. So I'll update you guys later on. But yeah, there's a small restaurant over here. You can hang out during the day, but right now it's closed. So yeah, so we'll see you guys in a little bit. So as you can see, guys, it's still dark, but it is high tide. It's a good time to be catching those mackerel. But unfortunately, we don't have any glow sticks right now. Usually they'll attract those mackerels or any kind of fishes. But yeah, we'll just try our luck for now, and hopefully those mackerel will bite. So yeah, all right. Yeah, so around this time, guys, we decided to go home. It was a nice, slow, and relaxing day of fishing. We had our fair share, so we were happy, and just enjoy the scenery around Shelter Island. Just to mention, around this area right here, it's actually where they repair those boats, and also on the left side, it's where they usually dock the boats. And this is actually the exit and the entrance of the Shelter Island. But the scenery around this place is actually enjoyable. So yeah, that's it for the fishing day, guys. Thank you so much for watching the video again, and welcome back to the channel. I'm sorry I haven't uploaded for a while, but really appreciate it, guys. Thank you for watching again, and welcome back to the channel. Love you all. Till next time.